Most people think using AI means asking a chatbot a few questions and getting quick answers. But that's not enough anymore. In 2026, the people who stay ahead won't just be casual AI users. They'll be the ones who develop real skills around it. Because when everyone has access to the same tools, the advantage stops being access. It becomes skill. This is NuelTech Files, and today we're breaking down the 5 real AI skills you need right now to stay ahead in 2026. Most people are still using AI like a shortcut, but the people who really pull ahead, they use it like leverage. Skill 1. Prompt engineering. Most people have heard of this. Very few actually understand it. Prompt engineering isn't just typing random instructions into ChatGPT and hoping for the best. It's knowing how to guide the model toward the output you actually need, the right context, the right role, the right format, the right goal. If your prompt is vague, your result will be vague too. That's why 2 people can use the exact same AI tool and get completely different results. One gets something generic, the other gets something sharp and usable. Same tool, different skill. If you know how to structure a prompt well, you save time, get better outputs, and stop treating AI like a slot machine. That alone puts you ahead of most people. Skill 2. AI research. A lot of people use AI to gather information, but still don't know how to research properly. They ask one question, get one answer, and assume it's good enough. That's risky, because AI can summarize quickly, but speed is not the same as accuracy. Real AI research means asking layered questions, comparing outputs, finding the gaps, and turning messy information into something actually useful. It also means knowing when an answer feels too clean, too fast, or too confident. The people who get ahead won't just use AI to find information. They'll use AI to think through information faster than everyone else. In a world where information is everywhere, that's a serious edge. Skill 3. AI automation. This is where AI stops being a fun toy and starts becoming part of how you actually work. If you're still using AI one task at a time, manually, for everything, you're still at the surface. Automation is the skill of building systems around AI, so it handles the repetitive parts of your workflow. Automatic summaries, content repurposing, email drafting, connecting tools so tasks flow into each other, that kind of thing. The future won't reward people who just know AI exists. It'll reward people who know how to make AI reduce friction. People who understand automation don't just work harder, they build systems that keep working for them. And honestly, this is exactly why I make videos like this. Most people are only looking at AI on the surface. The real shift is happening underneath. So if you're into future tech, hidden systems, and where this is all heading, subscribe to NuelTech Files. You'll fit right in. Skill 4. AI content creation. And no, this doesn't mean posting random AI images or copying whatever a chatbot spits out. Real AI content creation means using AI to create faster without losing quality, direction, or originality. Writing ideas faster, turning rough thoughts into scripts, repurposing long content into shorter formats, brainstorming stronger hooks. Content is still one of the fastest ways to build attention, trust, and opportunity. AI is making production easier, but not automatically better. That's where the skill comes in. People who combine AI with taste and direction will always outperform people who just press generate and post whatever comes out. AI can speed things up, but it cannot replace standards. Skill 5. AI verification. This is the most underrated one. AI can sound polished even when it's wrong. It can sound confident even when it's making things up. And that's exactly why verification is now a real skill. If you can't verify AI outputs, you will eventually trust something you shouldn't. Verification means fact-checking outputs, spotting hallucinations, questioning weak logic, and knowing when something needs a second look. In 2026, people who blindly trust AI will make mistakes faster than ever. But people who verify properly will move fast without being careless. Put all five together and the pattern is clear. Prompt engineering, AI research, AI automation, AI content creation, AI verification. When the tools become common, the skill becomes rare. And rare skill is where advantage lives. So, which of these five do you think matters most right now? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know which one people think is being underestimated the most. And if you want more content about AI, future tech, and the side of technology most people overlook, subscribe to